Hey, what is up YouTubers? It is Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to be going over a Fiverr case study. So basically I'm going to be hiring different Fiverr sellers to go out and try to make me money on ClickBank. And before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to explain why I'm doing this. So I decided to do my own case study because I've been seeing a ton of YouTube videos talking about this subject of hiring out Fiverr sellers to make sales on their ClickBank account, and I just thought it was super interesting. So I watched a couple of them and it intrigued me a little bit, so I just decided that I'm going to go out and do my own case study and have you guys be able to watch over my shoulder as I find these sellers and I give them the affiliate links and then go over the statistics and the results if we get any sales. And full disclosure, I have my expectations set very low. I do not expect to be making a ton of sales from paying a Fiverr seller anywhere from $5 to $15 to go out and make me money online. Because in my mind, I see these Fiverr sellers posting like they're gonna go and share your affiliate link. And if their service was super good, wouldn't they just be doing that themselves? But that's what we're going to figure out in this full case study. So once again, my expectations are low, and if we end up actually making a sale, I'll probably crap my pants. So without further ado, let's get into the Fiverr case study. Alright, so here I am inside of my Fiverr account, and all I did was type in promote affiliate link. And what I'm going to do now is just kind of browse through all of these listings and look at the ratings, the starting price, and maybe read some reviews. And I'm gonna try to find 3 sellers that I think could have potential for sharing my affiliate link. So what I'm gonna do now is just spend a little time and try to find 3 of these sellers. So I'll be back once I've found them. Alright, so now we're back and I have found the 3 Fiverr sellers that I want to test out this Fiverr promotion method with. The first one is right here. There's 19 reviews, 4.9 ratings, 2 orders in the queue. This next one, there's a average rating of 4.7, total of 8 orders, 6 orders in the queue right now. And then the third one, 11 reviews, 4.8 average, and then 2 orders in queue. So I'm going to do the basic plan for each one of these 3. So it's going to be $10, $10, and $5. I'm going to spend a total of $25 just to have these 3 sellers blast out links. The next step is to get my affiliate link. Now I'm going to head over to clickbank.com. For those of you who don't know what ClickBank is, it is probably the biggest affiliate network around, and they accept a lot of people. So if you don't have a ClickBank account, you can easily come to clickbank.com, click sign up, fill out some simple questions, create your account, and you're good to go. So once you have your account created, you can log in and then come up here and click on Marketplace. And then what I did is I clicked right here. And now I'm going to sort by gravity, and by searching by gravity, this will just show me what the top offers are right now. So my plan is to do the top 3 gravity offers in ClickBank. So the custom keto diet, I will place an order with this one, and then the Okinawa flat belly tonic will be right here, and then lastly the resurge will be for the 3rd Fiverr seller here. It is super easy to create your affiliate link. I already did 2 of them. I'm gonna save the 3rd one so I can show you guys how to do it and how I'm gonna track this stuff. So to create your affiliate link, your custom affiliate link, all you gotta do is come and click on promote, and then you should see your account nickname right here, and then right here it says tracking ID is optional. We actually want to use this. I'm gonna put in the name of the seller as the tracking ID. So I'm gonna click on copy, and then I'll just paste in the name of the seller into the tracking ID spot, and then click on generate hop link. I'm going to copy this, and now I'm just going to go like that and save it. So now I'm going to give these links to the Fiverr sellers, and they're going to go out and get a bunch of people to start clicking on these links. And then when people start clicking on them, let me show you what they'll see. Once they go on the affiliate link, they'll be redirected to the offer. And this one was for the resurge offer. And promises. Oops, I don't want to watch that. So I'm going to go like this. And then if people watch this video and they want to order resurge, they can click on add to cart. And then when they get to the checkout page, you can see if they order, we're going to be getting commissions for this. And if you look right down here at the very bottom, you'll see affiliate equals Cody knows dot Lizzie up might, and that is this seller right here. So if she does a really good job promoting my affiliate link and we actually get orders, when the sales come in, we will see Lizzie up might. This will be in the TID section, so we know like this seller was responsible for the sale. So now that I got the 3 sellers and the 3 affiliate links and the 3 offers all ready to go, I'm gonna get to work and place the orders. So I'm gonna get going on that right now. Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? We're back. Today is Thursday, February 18th. So 4 days after I created the initial video, 3 days, sorry. I created the initial video on Monday the 15th. Exciting news, the orders finally came through. As you can see, there's delivered notifications next to each of the orders that I placed on Monday. So that's very exciting, and I can't wait to get into the results with you. But I want to reiterate what I said on Monday, and that was that I have my expectations set super low. I wasn't really expecting to make any sales from any of these orders, but I thought it'd be a really fun case study to go and show you guys the actual results. So now I get to finally show you the results. And first of all, I want to show you 2 things that I found pretty comical. So the first one was Lizzie up might. So she messaged me, "Are you there?" I was like, "Hello, how are you doing? I want to show you my Twitter promotion." I was like, "Okay, cool." And then she's like, "I just delivered your project after thorough promotion on top social media platforms. Please kindly update me about its effect. Thanks once again." And then I said, "I got a total of 1 click, lol." And then she, this was in Messenger, but she also, in the order page, she sent the screenshots of her promotions that she did, and from the screenshots it looked like she used this link with the question mark TID, and that is the start of my tracking link. So I gave her this, I gave her the TID Lizzie up might, so I could see if any sales came through or any clicks came through. I knew it was from her, and I asked her what link she used, and she's like, "I used the second link. I only erased my name from it, and that is the only link that shows the products." No, that's not correct. So she didn't use the full link that I gave her, even though I paid her and gave her the exact link that I wanted to use. She decided to change it up and not tell me about it. So that was the first funny thing that happened throughout this experience. Then the second one was Davidson. He tried to pull a fast one on me. He goes, "Thanks for the order, sir." And I was like, "You're welcome." And then he goes, "Sir, $5 would only get your link promoted to about 4 social media platforms. I suggest you go for a better plan, at least $20, so that much work could be done on your link, sir." So right after I pay him the $5, he initially goes, "You're not going to get much for this order. Instead, go to the $20 order so I can get you even more clicks." And I just thought that was kind of funny. Like, I respect the grind and everything, but it's like, I just thought it was funny how he sold the $5 package, and right away he's like, "Yeah, not that good. You're going to want to bump it up to 20 so I can really go ham." I thought that was pretty funny. But anyways, now let's get into the results. So I logged into my ClickBank account on the Tuesday, so like 2 days ago, which is the 16th, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, so Tuesday, the day after I placed the order, I log in and I see this. So right there, I see this, a $4 sale. I was like, "Oh, heck yeah, something happened." And let me refresh the screen for you guys, by the way, just so you know, like, this is whatever. So I saw the $4 sale, and I was like, I didn't know any of the 3 products that I had would pay out a commission of $4. I thought the average was around like 30 to 50 or whatever. And then upon closer look, I clicked into the sale, and it was from a total different case study that I did. This ClickBank account with the nickname Cody Knows, I only use this account for like case studies with paid traffic and stuff like that. And from one of those case studies, I promoted the CB passive income program, I believe. And one of the upsells on that product was a recurring package. And I've had someone that's been on that for like almost a year now, so $4 every month. So that came through and it was very misleading because I thought it came from one of the Fiverr sellers. So that was a bummer. So the total results are we didn't end up getting a sale. And I kind of figured that that would happen. So I'm not too bummed out about that. I was hoping maybe get one because that would make for a lot better of a video, but it did not. But now we didn't get any sales, but let's look at how many clicks we actually got. So here I am inside of the reporting tab and I'm on month to date. Let me do a little refresh here. So month to date, I'm gonna go by tracking ID and then I'm gonna sort like this. So as you can see, the tracking ID that ended with Davidson got the most clicks. It got 23, 0 order form impressions and 0 sales. We covered that. And then the Lizzie Up Might clicks are not accurate because I was testing that out to see what was happening because I was telling the seller and the seller was saying like this tracking link didn't work or whatever, so I was testing it out. So all those clicks are from me, and that order form impression, that was from me as well. And then Lillian, we got a total of 1 click. That also could have been me because I tested each one of the links beforehand. So I can assume like Lizzie Up Might was 3 clicks, Lillian was probably 0 clicks, and Davidson was probably 22 clicks. So overall, the Davidson order actually performed the best, and I believe that one was the cheapest. I think this one was the $5 one. Let me go check real quick. Yeah, okay. So the Davidson order was the cheapest. That was the $5 package that I bought, and I got 23 clicks from it. And then the other 2 were just very disappointing. So that wraps up my Fiverr case study. I know it wasn't the results that you probably wanted to see, but I actually had fun recording this, just seeing about all the other people post about their case studies or whatever. I was like, this is going to be fun to try out, and I hope you guys enjoyed following along step by step with this case study. So to wrap this thing up, in my personal opinion, I believe like these Fiverr gigs that say I'm going to promote your affiliate link, I believe most of them probably aren't worth it. So I wouldn't recommend it because, I mean, think about it. If their service was that good, wouldn't they just go create their own ClickBank account and do their own promotional methods to make money instead of charging you to give them your affiliate link so they can promote it? You know, it doesn't really make sense. But there is some potential for making money online throughout this whole case study, and that is coming from the Fiverr end. So if you guys want a free way to make money online, I'd sign up for Fiverr. And I would create gigs like this. I'd go, I will promote your affiliate link, your landing page, whatever, to groups in a specific niche. And I say this because when I was like 15 or 16, I actually did this. I was a seller on Fiverr, and I actually did kind of well for a 15-year-old. I made listings that were similar to these, like I will promote your business in Facebook group posts, but I did more specific. So I will promote your affiliate link or your website to make money online Facebook groups. And I would go and I would join a whole bunch of Facebook groups. And then when people would order my gig, they'd give me their landing page or their affiliate link, their website, and then I would just go and blast it to all these make money online Facebook groups, and I would take screenshots of every time I posted. And by doing that, I could actually say stuff like, I will promote your affiliate link or your website to 100,000 people in the make money online space, because a lot of the groups that I was a part of had 20,000, 30,000 members. So I would use that audience and I would add it up. So if I was going to post in 5 make money online Facebook groups and each of them had 30,000 people in the group, I'd be like, for $5, I'll promote your make money online website to 150,000 people on Facebook. And another tip, if you guys do want to go this route, which isn't a bad route to go, it's a free way to make money. Here's a little tip to get 5-star ratings. So once you deliver your order, you can say, okay, I delivered your order. You can send all the screenshots to prove that you posted in the groups that you said you were going to. And then you can be like, if you leave a 5-star review and a good comment, I will promote your link to an additional 50,000 members or 5 make money online groups or whatever. And 9 times out of 10, those people are going to give you a 5-star rating. They're going to say, great experience. The seller was awesome. And then they'll message you, be like, okay, I did a good review. Then you can go share their link even more. So that's just a little tip. If you guys do want to go that route to get good reviews and ratings, and all of that will really help you to become a power seller on Fiverr. So lastly, if you like case studies like this where I walk you through step by step, check out some of my paid ads and affiliate marketing case studies. I will have links to them in the description below. One of them is a Bing Ads case study where I show you step by step how to promote a max bounty affiliate offer on Bing Ads. And in that case study, I'll show you right in front of your eyes how I made $160 in the first day in that case study. And I show you everything. I lay it all out there. And then the second one is a Facebook ads case study too, so check that one out. Those will be in the description below. Lastly, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.